Let's say an internet user visits your online store, loves your products and places an order. At the same time, there is another internet user who visits your store and browses for a while but drops out buying nothing. Which one of these users would you want to attract to your online store? Of course, the first type, right? These users are the ones with a high buying intent and they are always the most preferred kind by every business owner. But then, where can you find the kind of traffic with a high buying intent and how do you reach out to them? That's a big question. Any customer with an intent to buy a product online usually starts by searching for the product on Google, and that's where you will find your target customers. Now that the where part of the question is answered, we move to the how part. How do you reach out to these customers with high buying intent? The answer is Google Merchant Center. Hey, I am Mani Karthik, and in this video, we're going to take a look into the importance of Google Merchant Center and how to connect your Dukaan store with the GMC plugin. Google Merchant Center exists for the primary purpose of allowing businesses to display their product information across all relevant searches on Google. For example, when someone searches for black laptop bags on Google search, the first result is a line of relevant product images along with the name, description, price, and the like. This results from connecting your business with the Google Merchant Center. Other advantages of GMC are you can easily create highly relevant Google Shopping ads for your products. You can bring back users with personalized remarketing ads. You can attract customers by displaying product reviews and ratings. You can direct all the traffic to your online store from Google. You can also direct customers to your local stores, if any. By integrating Google Merchant Center with your online store, when you change the product details or pricing, it will automatically reflect across Google. Getting started with GMC. First and foremost, you will have to create an account on the Google Merchant Center. The URL is mentioned in the description below. Click on Get Started and enter all the required information and then click on Create Account. Once you have entered all the information, your Google Merchant Center dashboard will be created. On this window, go to the website tab and paste the URL of your Dukaan store. Once you enter the website URL, a tag will be generated. Copy the tag. Now let us head over to Dukaan. Connecting Dukaan store with the GMC account. Now comes the part where you connect your Dukaan store with Google Merchant Center. Start by logging in to your Dukaan account. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you will find the plugins option. Click on it. Find the Google Merchant Center plugin and click on the Install button. Once the plugin is installed, you can enter the plugin dashboard and enter the tag that you have copied from your GMC account. Wait for about 5 minutes and then click on Verify Website button. Once the verification is done, you can claim your website directly by clicking on it. Now your Dukaan store is connected to your Google Merchant Center account. The Google Merchant Center plugin is completely free. Connecting your business to GMC is more of a necessity than an option in order to run your online business more smartly and efficiently. So if you already have a Dukaan store, don't wait, go check out the GMC plugin in the set of plugins available. However, if you want to create shopping ads for your products, you will need a Google AdWords account as well. Running shopping ads has proven to have a high click-through rate and it could be very beneficial, especially in the beginning stages of your online store. But that's a topic we will address in another video. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell icon so that you do not miss out on any of our videos. Until next time.